Welcome to the step-by-step video guide on how to complete your online application to Bellevue University as a current high school student.
Head on over to bellevue.edu on your web browser. Google Chrome or Firefox are most compatible. Then click on Apply. You will then either create an account or log into your account if you have already created one. I'm going to click on Create New Account as this is the first time that I've been to this website. On this page, you will be asked to fill in your legal first and last name, an email address which should be different from your high school email address, a password for your account, select bachelor's as degree type, and finally enter your zip code. Make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long, contains a number, and a special character. Once you have completed filling everything out, click Register at the bottom of the page. I recommend saving your login information as you will need this info to log in again. Once you have created an account, you will be directed to a page with 2 boxes titled Admissions Application and Application Steps. I'm going to click Start Application Now under the Admissions Application. Here you will begin to fill in your personal information. It's important to note that questions marked with a red asterisk are required. Starting from the top in the Personal Information section, you will enter your legal first, last, and middle name if applicable. Enter your suffix, preferred name, or former name if applicable. Select your gender if you would like to, then enter your date of birth. Next, in the Contact Information section, you will enter your home and mobile phone numbers and the same email address you used to create your account. Finally, you will fill out the last section titled Current Permanent Address. Here you will enter your address, including your country, permanent address, city, state, and zip code. If you have a mailing address that is different from your permanent address, you can also enter this information here. Before checking the I have completed this section box, double check that all of the information you have entered is correct, because once it is checked, the information cannot be updated. Once you have double checked the information you have entered, check the box, then click Save and Next. Next, you'll enter your demographic information. Select your U.S. citizen status and enter your Social Security number. If you are undocumented or a DACA student, you will select Not a U.S. citizen for U.S. citizenship status, No for lawful permanent U.S. resident, No visa for visa type, and select your country of citizenship and birth country. Make sure to indicate if you are Hispanic or Latino, as there are specific scholarships you may be eligible to apply for. It will not be used in determining admission. Next, you can select from the ethnicities listed. You may select as many ethnicities that apply to you. Then select your marital status, and if you are a current member of the military or a dependent of an active duty or veteran in the armed forces. Double check the information you have entered, then check the I have completed this section box, then click Save and Continue. Then you'll enter your enrollment information. Under the previous enrollment section, select No, as you are a current high school student, and if you are a first-generation college student. Next, you'll continue to the enrollment information section. First, select how you plan to take classes, on location or online. If you select on location, on the next drop-down, be sure to select Bellevue University main campus. Under the degree type, you will select bachelor's, then select a desired major from the list. If you are unsure about which degree program you want to enroll in, then select degree seeking undecided. In the term interested in drop-down, select which term you would like to start at Bellevue University. Here you can select any additional information you would like to receive, the payment method or methods you plan on using, and your admissions type, which in this case would be active high school. Once you have double-checked the information you have entered, then check the I have completed this section box, then click Save and Continue. Now it's time to enter your academic information. Select if you have completed high school or an equivalent and the completion date. You will select No since you are a current high school student. Your high school graduation month and year are important, however, the exact date can be approximate. Next, select if you have taken a CLEP, DSST, or AP test, have any professional licenses or certifications, professional training, or have earned college credit. or are currently enrolled in dual enrollment college courses. If you have taken or are currently taking college courses, search for the institution in the search box. Then move on to the previous academic performance section. High school suspensions do not apply for the previous academic performance question, so you will select no. Double check the information you have entered, then check the I have completed this section box, then click Save and Continue. The next section is the Work History section, and you can skip this section as it is not a requirement to complete your application. Check the I have completed this section box, then click Save and Next. We're finally down to the home stretch. Bellevue University's application fee is waived for graduating high school students. As such, you have been authorized to waive the application fee, so select Yes. Then you will complete the signature verification section by entering your legal first and last name. Also include the date you enter your signature. Then click I have completed this section box and click Submit your application.
Congratulations! Your application for admission to Bellevue University will be submitted, and a high school admissions counselor will be in touch with the next steps on becoming a Bruin.